Achieve means to succeed in doing something after effort. Example, I want to achieve my goals this year. Advice means an opinion or suggestion that helps you decide. Example, she gave me good advice. Afford means to have enough money to buy something. Example, I can't afford a new phone now. Agree means to have the same opinion as someone. Example, I agree with you. Allow means to give permission. Example, the teacher allows students to ask questions. Amount means how much of something there is. Example, the amount of water is small. Arrive means to reach a place. Example, we arrive at school at 8. Behave means to act in a good or polite way. Example, children must behave well in class. Borrow means to take something and give it back later. Example, can I borrow your pen? Calm means relaxed and not angry. Example, please stay calm. Choose means to pick one thing. Example, I choose the blue shirt. Comfortable means making you feel relaxed. Example, this chair is comfortable. Compare means to look at things to see differences. Example, compare these two pictures. Continue means to keep doing something. Example, please continue your work. Decide means to make a choice. Example, I decide to study English. Describe means to say how something looks or feels. Example, describe your best friend. Different means not the same. Example, these answers are different. Difficult means not easy. Example, this exercise is difficult. Enjoy means to like something. Example, I enjoy learning English. Explain means to make something clear. Example, can you explain the lesson? Famous means known by many people. Example, he is a famous actor. Forget means to not remember. Example, don't forget your keys. Friendly means kind and nice. Example, the teacher is friendly. Improve means to make something better. Example, I want to improve my English. Important means having great value. Example, health is important. Invite means to ask someone to come. Example, she invited me to her party. Journey means a long trip. Example, the journey was long. Lucky means having good things happen. Example, I am lucky today. Manage means to control or organize something. Example, she manages her time well. Meaning means what a word or idea shows. Example, what is the meaning of this word? Message means written or spoken information sent to someone. Example, I sent a message to my friend. Normal means usual or common. Example, it's normal to feel tired. Offer means to give help or something. Example, he offered me some help. Opinion means what you think about something. Example, in my opinion, this movie is good. Prepare means to get ready. Example, I prepare my bag at night. Problem means something that causes trouble. Example, we have a small problem. Promise means to say you will do something. Example, I promise to call you. Protect means to keep safe from harm. Example, we must protect nature. Quiet means not making noise. Example, please be quiet. Reason means the cause of something. Example, what is the reason? Relax means to rest and feel calm. Example, I relax after work. Remember means to keep something in your mind. Example, remember to drink water. Return means to go back. Example, I return home at 6. Safe means not dangerous. Example, this place is safe. Share means to give part of something to others. Example, I share my food with you. Simple means easy and not complicated. Example, this exercise is simple. Support means to help or encourage. Example, my family supports me. Travel means to go from one place to another. Example, I like to travel by train. Useful means helpful. Example, this app is useful. Weather means the condition of the air outside. Example, the weather is nice today.